When somebody clicks on it, you see they got the URL right there. And then this one right here, I will create a new one, duplicate it, and name this one shared card. Okay, that way you can track how many people came in for the shared card. I've been incredibly surprised with this one right here. Okay, now you can see right here, guys, that you can add subscribers to a sequence. So what are you trying to do? You might be asking, but Manuel, but what do I do once they're in? Well, you got to build out a sequence, okay? And we're going to keep on talking about that future training and how we educate and how we use BuzzSumo, how we use Answer the Public, Quora, whatever you guys are into for content generation to provide value to these people. And then we subscribe them to the actual sequence, example sequence, the main sequence, your education, how to wear a certain clothes, how to use certain products. And then you can actually do a sequence for product buyers. This is something that we're going to talk about also in the future and that we have also talked about in the future. So now what you do is that you actually grab, there's two links right here. You're going to be able to measure how many opt-ins are coming in from each one. So right here, for example, on the Facebook one, we're going to grab this link right here. So again, what did we talk about? We talked about that we're going to Facebook ad and then messenger nurture. And then we're going to do a more value and eventually get them offers along the way. All right, so we're going to go and quickly build an ad from scratch. The three things that one needs to pay attention to when one is building an ad. The other day, I don't want to bounce around too much, but if we go back to the heels and jeans, let me show you something really, really ninja that we're doing right now, okay? So you guys can practice this a little bit. But let me show you this super, super ninja growth hack that we're doing, okay? For a bunch of these accounts. So we go to growth tools right here. Let's edit this Facebook ads growth tool. And you can do the same thing for all of them. Let's go ahead and edit this right here. And we're going to add one more thing on the last message, okay? Check it out. So over here, let's do something. We're going to add a smart delay, okay? This is super ninja, guys, okay? And we're going to do a smart delay, which is maybe, let's do 1 day later, okay? Again, you can test out different things. And let's do a message afterwards and check this out. We're going to invite these people to go ahead and share our offer, okay? So what we do is let me see, we got the link right here. Yeah, we got the link. We're going to do a share card. And this has been really, really successful to grow our channel. This by itself, guys, is going to be worth your time here today. Okay, this one right here that says card. Okay, you're gonna add that one right here. Okay, so check this out. So right here, what we're gonna do is that we're creating an awesome offer, right? And then since people naturally like to help others and they have friends and family that they would like to help, we're gonna give them an option to share this incredible offer with their friends and family. So what you do is right here, you create a share card, okay, that it's, let's eliminate this button right here, not this one, okay? So it's gonna be something like this. Let's choose a picture. What I would do is that I would actually grab an image. Let's Google an image of a skinny jean. Not complicated, guys. Sometimes it's so simple, okay? Let's grab an image over here and let's do this, whatever. Just to give you guys an example. All right, and then we do this. This is how it looks over here. Skinny jeans, that looks obvious. On the new button, we're gonna do share this card. And it's automatically share this card. And you cannot change that text right there. But what it does is super, super ninja because you are going to basically connect this with a link, okay? Let me just delete this right here. URL for the card, we're gonna enter the URL, okay? And then, let's go back over here. When somebody clicks on it, you see they got the URL right there. What I would do, guys, is that I would actually copy this flow. And again, let me show you what I would do here specifically. Got the growth tools. And then this one right here, I will create a new one, duplicate it, and name this one shared card. Okay, that way you can track how many people came in for the share card. I've been incredibly surprised with this one right here. And here's a document your friend wants you to have. That will show you how to look. And then we just edit this flow right here and boom, off we go. Now we put somebody else in that exact process. So we're gonna grab this thing right here, shared card. We're gonna open it up and this is the link we're gonna use, okay? Copy the clipboard, we go back here and we're gonna send it right here. And then we're gonna be able to measure anybody that came in for this flow. Because what happens is that, oh yeah, I wanna share it with my mom, with my sister, with my friends. And when somebody clicks on this link, guys, it's going to automatically open up their messenger channel, okay? And it looks super, super cool, okay? So now if somebody actually opens up this thing, let me just add this right here, some actions. Okay, we can do this. Continue to another step. This is the action right here. And then we're gonna go to shared. There you go. We're gonna delete this one and we're gonna publish this thing. And there we go, okay? So it's, you guys need to try this out and then preview it so you can see. It opens up an entire messenger window that now you can actually invite all your friends and just get it out there so you can bring a lot more people into the channel. And then once you go over here to the actual widgets, you're gonna be able to see how many people are opting in for that share card only, okay? So now again, let's grab this, the Facebook ad one, and let's set it up quickly, okay? We're gonna do a quick 2-minute ad. So let's go ahead and create one. Now, in order for you to generate an actual, let's switch to guided creation. In order for you to actually generate messenger subscribers, as you guys know, we have a couple of options. We actually can use messages, we can use traffic, we can use video views, we can use other ones as long as we can put the links above and below. This example, you guys should test all of them out, okay? We're gonna do traffic. And I'm not gonna go into the details of this. You guys have done through this for the course. You know about this. If you wanna do a split testing, if you wanna do like budget optimization, these options, you definitely should go for that. I would always do as much split testing as possible, okay? So go ahead and do that. And then select your audience right here. So we're gonna leave it here in website. Something that I covered last week is that you need to do a bit.ly or you need to do a Pixel.me link in order to run ads directly from Facebook into the Messenger channel, okay? Don't put the entire link in there, okay? So right here, let's go ahead and select an audience. I'm gonna do the younger generation on this example. Women, 21 to 31. Let's do United States. All right, cool, and use that. We're gonna do some detailed targeting here, like, let's see, jeans. We got 2 million people. That's a good audience. You guys know I like audiences that are 2 to 3 million people. And then off we go, okay? We'll leave it like that. And over here, let's change. Definitely don't want to promote Dr. Berg on this example. Using jeans. You select the Facebook page, it's fine, let's leave it alone. Obviously, guys, as you guys know and I have taught you, you want to name, the naming convention should be correct. I don't want to just waste time on that right now, but the campaign name, the audience name, the actual ad level name, make sure you name it correctly, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do this. We do a single image and let's upload. We got this screenshot right here. Look at that, super simple. It has a little bit of text. Facebook is not going to have a problem with that. And then we got Houston Jeans, share the link. Okay, good. So we're gonna put the bit.ly link right here. That's there. We're gonna go to the download button. That's the one that I like for this particular example. Let's do something super quick right here. We can display link, guys. If I had more time, I would actually do something like / I would just go and eliminate this particular thing here, the HTTP, and then just do, you know, if we do, for example, you have an account on bit.ly or on Pixel.me, you can actually customize that URL, and that's the one that you can use on the actual level right there, okay, which is the display link over here. Okay, good. So we have that, and then let's add a headline right here. You guys know, basically you can try a million different things, right? So here's some copywriting tips for you guys. immediately exposes a problem. Love skinny jeans, but hate looking the same every day. Not much more than text than this, okay, guys? So you put the link down below, and then we're gonna put the link right here. Another hot tip right here. These keywords right here, guys, if you take a look at it, look at the ad right here that I just created in about 2 minutes. Okay, you can see it on the right side. Love skinny jeans, but hey, looking the same every day, I got a gift for you. Right at the attention grabbing, right? It pulls the interest on the subject. This is our area of expertise. We know how to make skinny jeans look slick and stylish every day. And it's simple, okay? Got an extra S right here. Get your free document on how to wear skinny jeans every day here. What we can do now. Okay, so the tip is that when you're doing copywriting, some of the words should be capitalized. Like, for example, gift, free, now. All those things are like important to capitalize. It pulls attention in. Let's do that. Again, if we can do the customized URL, even better, okay? So now let's see how it looks. Okay, you guys know me, right? What's wrong right here? There we go. Look at that. It's a masterpiece right there, right? The only thing that I don't like is the customized URL because it's not customized. I should change that right there and just make it possible for them to actually download that like that. So we just created a campaign from scratch. Now, you guys, I don't know if you need my help on this, but we need to test out different areas. And on the Facebook Masters, we cover a lot of that. Like we need to test out different interests. We need to make sure that audiences don't overlap. And then we need to also do retargeting, which we're gonna talk about later on. Like you do a video ad, and then you actually try it out. And then look at this one. We just started running this, 70% off promotion on this one, and 35 cents a lead. I mean, it's pretty incredible. We can definitely get a lot of traffic at a very low cost. So tell me, you guys have to start thinking about what are the areas of difficulties that you're having, but we need to do a lot of it. So whatever income that you guys are getting from your business, a good portion of it should be invested into continuing to master this and also blowing up your heels and jeans, your actual ManyChat account so you can get a big list that you can sell to. Okay, so now, we already ran that. We can run that for a little bit, and then we'll see the results, and we can measure and see what's going on, and then just adjust along the way. Okay, so that's going to be cold traffic right there. But the warmer the audience, the actual better conversion rate you should have. And if you're not having a good conversion rate, or if people are not really opting into your flow, then we need to see what's going on, or if maybe the offer is not good enough, and we need to come up with better things to bring those people in, like a great lead magnet. There's on Fiverr and a bunch of different places, you can actually get incredible ebooks that talk about your brand, and you can pull them out, pull them in, and get them interested in your brand.